Hey everyone! Today I'm making this super cute retro TV planter using casting powder, perfect for adding a cozy vintage vibe to any space. Start by mixing your casting powder with water. Follow a 3-to-1 ratio, 3 parts powder to 1 part water. Mix slowly to avoid air bubbles. Once the mixture is smooth and lump-free, carefully pour it into your retro TV mold. Tap lightly to release trapped air bubbles. Let it sit and cure for about 30 to 45 minutes, or until fully hardened. Gently remove the piece from the mold. You'll see your mini retro TV shape come to life. Now add details using gold paint for the knobs and accents to give it that vintage look. Place your favorite succulents inside, and your retro TV planter is ready. Hope you loved this DIY. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more creative projects.